Hello friends, I am Sangram from School Tech. Today we are going to unbox the Bluetooth earphones which is packaged into this box. I bought these earphones from Amazon at 350 rupees. Let's unbox it. This is Bluetooth connector which can connect to your phone wirelessly, and these are the earphones. This Bluetooth is actually free on this. These are our earphones, Bluetooth earphones. So these are the earphones which we bought from Amazon at price range of 350 rupees. The quality is not that great, but it's okay at price range of 350. This is charging slot. In-ear buds. These are in-ear buds. While buying, I thought this is metallic, but it's not actually metallic. It looks like metal, but it's not a metal. And this is the Bluetooth, which is free on this. Quality of Bluetooth is not that great, but it's okay. If it's free, then it's okay. This is the charging port which we can connect to our charger as well. Mobile charger, normal mobile charger. So we will test these earphones and this Bluetooth. So now let's test these earphones. This is basically on off button over here which is provided by. We'll click on this and hold it. It will give the indication over here. Now the earphones are turned on. Then we can connect them with Bluetooth. Here the device will appear and it will show Bluetooth is connected. As we connect it to Bluetooth, it is connected here, we can see. Now we will go to YouTube and just check about quality of earphones. I am opening my channel over here. This is my channel. Actually, this phone is quite slow. The video has been started. Now I will show you the quality of this earphone using my microphones. Wait a second. This is my mic. Indication buttons that of caps lock and num lock. We can see that it is indicated in green, but LED. So that's amazing. So we can see, we type something over here. It sounds it is easily reflected over there on our desktop. 350. This is the charging cord for that earphones, and this Bluetooth is also working quite nice. It is free on this. So we are testing the quality of these earphones. I will play one song for you guys and I will place my mic onto the earphones. So let's check it.
चढ़ा मुझ पे सुरूर है, असर तेरा ये जरूर है, तेरी नजर का कसूर है। पास तू क्यों दूर है, ये इश्क का जो फितूर है।
So we can see that the quality of this earphone is quite amazing. Thank you. So do like, share and subscribe my channel School Tech. Thank you.